Hello YouTube, welcome back to my Git tips and tricks series videos. In my previous video, I showed you some basic tips and tricks about Git branching, right? If you have seen my previous video, this is the command I actually run. So in here, what I did actually is this. So I talked about this particular thing, right? So you can see I'm actually checking out to a particular commit from my Git commit history, right? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you if you want to get rid of this scary message every time you check out to a particular commit, right? So you don't want to see it every time because some people they get really scared and they get tired of this. So how to do this? Let me show you. So if you want to do this for this particular repository, so you're gonna say git config, that's just local. But if you wanna do it for all the repository that you have on your computer under this particular user, the logged in user, then you're gonna say global. But I'm gonna actually talk about local. You don't really need it. If you say local, you can get rid of this as well. And then you want to do advice. This is what you're gonna say. And then detach head. And if I run this command, you can see I have got it true. So instead of true, I want to set it to false. Let me go to decorate command, and this time I'm gonna pick up randomly one commit from there, and I wanna check out right here. Let me clear this up. So if I do this, let me paste this, and this time if I'm doing a checkout to this particular commit, you can see the message is gone. So this is how you can basically get rid of the message. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.